There you are. There you are. Ah, that's William. Yeah, dance it out. You gonna blow kisses? Jump, jump. So we'll set it over here. Oh, look at you twirling around. Oh, that's cool. Can you spin around again? Look at you. You're getting so good at spinning around in a circle. That's you. Spinning, spinning, spinning around. Look at you go.
A block.
You got your bucket? Your pail? Yeah.
Ping pong paddle.
And your ping pong paddle, which doubles as a guitar puzzle piece. Uh-oh, now you're out of sight there. There you are. There you are sitting down.
Right here.
Right there, what's on your shirt? Is that a truck?
A truck.
Yeah, a truck.
And there's a shoe. There's a shoe.
There's Daddy's shoe, yeah. You blowing kisses?
Door. Door.
That's the gate. That's the gate. The stove's still warm, so you have to stay out of there for a minute.
A store.
Oh, coffee. Need some water, Will? Yeah.
A hug.
Gonna hug Mommy?
Hug.
Ooh. Jump, jump, jump. Oh, look at you. Oh, look how fast. Ta-da!
Accordion.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's your clarinet. The other one's accordion, yeah. Showing your clarinet piece. Clarinet.
Clarinet.
Yeah, and it's got a guitar on the other.
Guitar.
Yeah.
Accordion.
Yeah, put them in your puzzle.
Nope.
Let's see. That goes in clarinet, doesn't it?
Nope.
Nope, nope, nope.
Nope.
Alright, so you can get your guitar piece too. Double as a ping pong paddle.
I play ping pong. I play ping pong.
You play ping pong? Wow.
Wow.
Can you say tarnation?
Tarnation.
Yeah, that's what they say in Ping Pong Mesa, huh?
Ping pong. Ping pong.
Yeah.
Ping pong.
Your hands get all yucky. Oh, your hands are really sticky.
It's sticky.
Your hands are sticky.
I play a rock one. I play a rock one.
For the violin?
I play a rock one.
Gonna try that one? Yeah, you know it goes in there, don't you? You push in? There you go. You did it. Yay! Very good, William.
I took it off.
And you took it out. Very good.
I play ping pong. I play ping pong.
You play ping pong? Boy, once I have to get you a ping pong paddle, you're going to be dangerous, huh? Ping pong tournament.
Try that one.
Try that one. It went in. It doesn't. Oh, shh. You're being quiet.
I try that one. I try that one. I try that one.
I don't know where the violin piece is, Will.
Where the pieces.
Mhm.
Push it down. Push it down.
Let's turn it just a little bit, okay? Now let's push. Oops, let's push it down now. Can you push it down? Can you push it down? Hey, you did it! Yay! Good job. Can you sing a song, Will?
Will,
Yeah.
twinkle, twinkle, little star, how my money I see stars. Up above the sky, what can I make it to stars? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how my money I see stars.
Yay! Wow, that was amazing! Oh, you did a wonderful job, William. That was a wonderful, amazing job you just did. You're quite the singer.
Okay, singer.
Oh, you're quite the singer. Don't bump your head now.
Okay, singer.
I'm going to do my job and here.
Yeah, he's going to be, wow, really something. Whoa, are you bending over backwards, Will? You can sing and bend over backwards? That's amazing.
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 He gets that from his father.
He does get that from his father. Are you Wild Bill?
Wild Will.
My Bill.
Uh-huh.
How are you?
Do they have Wild Bill and G.I. Joe too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I thought so.
Not you.
Not you?
Not you.
Okay.
Not you.
Wasn't he
Not
in that
you.
litigation?
I think so.
Yeah.
The helicopter pilot?
Go.
Mhm. Where'd you go there? There you are. Well, can you sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat?
Nope.
You say,
Cobra!
Go, go. Go, go.
That's great.
I'm
Wow.
like Renfield.
Who's Winfield?
I'm Dracula.
Oh, wow. Okay, what about Noggin? You thought that was funny earlier. Noggin.
Noggin.
Yeah, Noggin.
What is it? What do you do when you try to drink the bathwater? You go, ew. Like this. Ew. Ew.
That was so much fun. Are you hiding, Will? Are you hiding from the camera? We can't. Where'd you go? Oh, peekaboo. Oh, man. Battery's not good at peekaboo. Yay, Will. Well, can you say bye-bye to the camera? Can you come up and say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Oh, but we have to say bye-bye to the camera because my battery's about to go dead, okay? Say see you later. Let's start it again, okay? We just got to charge the battery. See you later, Will. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh, you just popped right up there, didn't you? Pop. 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 You popped right up. That's right, you popped right up. Okay, we're going to say bye-bye. We're going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.